Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start locating your Samsung TV model number on the label. Check your current firmware version in Settings Support Software Update now. Ensure the TV is connected to the internet at 3 Mbps. Prepare a USB drive with 1 GB free space for update. Note stable power supply and avoid interruptions during download or installation. Register the TV to your Samsung account for automatic updates. Have your remote and serial number ready before updating now. Confirm backup settings if you need to restore them later. Turn on TV and connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Open Settings Support Software Update to check online updates now. If an update is available, select Update Now and wait. Do not turn off the TV during download or installation. The TV will restart automatically to complete installation and optimization. After reboot, return to Software Update to verify firmware version. If update fails, try Network Update or Wired Ethernet instead. Keep your Samsung account signed in to receive automatic updates. To update via USB, first download the correct firmware file. Visit Samsung Support, enter model number, choose the latest firmware. Extract the firmware copy folder to the USB root. Insert USB into TV and select Update via USB option. Wait for the TV to install firmware and restart automatically. If problems persist, try a factory reset after backing up. Contact Samsung Support with TV model and serial hash if needed. Regularly check for updates monthly to maintain security and performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.